Imagine a sharp mix of onions, aged cheese, and, could that be damp goat? That oddly familiar and often unpleasant scent, commonly known as body odor, is instantly recognizable to most of us. But behind that unmistakable smell is a surprisingly intricate story, shaped by our genes, age, diet, and personal hygiene. So what exactly causes body odor? Where does it originate? And is there anything we can do to reduce it? At its core, body odor is the result of just two main ingredients: secretions from your armpits and the bacteria that feast on them. While many people link body odor directly to sweating, that's only part of the picture. Your skin contains millions of sweat glands, mainly of two types. Eccrine glands are spread across your body and primarily release water and salt. Apocrine glands, however, begin to function during puberty and are concentrated in places like the underarms. Their sweat contains proteins and fats, an ideal buffet for bacteria. On their own, these secretions don't smell. The odor emerges when bacteria get involved. Our skin is home to countless microbes, and damp areas like the armpits are especially appealing to them. In fact, 1 square centimeter of underarm skin can host up to 1 million bacteria. Among them are strains like Corynebacteria, Staphylococci, and Micrococci. When these organisms digest the proteins and fats in apocrine sweat, they create new chemical byproducts, some of which can be quite foul-smelling. Compounds containing sulfur often contribute to that sharp, onion-like scent. Carboxylic acids add a tangy, cheese-like note. These odor molecules rise from the skin and are detected by receptors in our noses. Receptors that are sensitive enough to pick up on even tiny concentrations, less than 1 part per million. So, what makes some people smell more strongly than others? Several factors are at play: the types and numbers of bacteria living on your skin, the specific substances your glands secrete, and even your DNA. Your genetic code helps determine what chemicals your body produces, and in what amounts. Interestingly, a certain genetic variant common among East Asians significantly reduces body odor. Stress can also amplify it. When you're anxious or frightened, your body produces more apocrine sweat, which intensifies the odor. Your diet, too, has a minor but noticeable effect on how you smell. So, what can you do about it? Washing with soap and water certainly helps reduce surface bacteria, though it may not eliminate those deeper in the skin. Deodorants work by slowing down bacterial activity and covering up odors. Antiperspirants go a step further. They block the sweat glands with microscopic plugs, reducing moisture in the armpits. Despite our ongoing battle against body odor, scientists are still exploring its deeper purpose. It's unclear why our brains react so strongly to these smells. Some researchers believe that body odor might actually serve social or communicative functions, helping us bond or convey subtle chemical signals. For now, though, it remains a curious and slightly embarrassing feature of being human.